So, singing bowl coming. With a throne, special throne, with a throne.
Questa è una campana tibetana con il trono, con il supporto.
Chunga Chenpo Daini,
Shona Chenpo Daini,
Semje Dunga Tarkisho,
Senchen Dunel Dadisho,
Kaba Chawa Samyeso,
Kaba Cheva Sangyeso,
Chodan Zinji Shokyuji.
Shoda Zinji Chogyuchi. Possa il grande suono del Dharma eliminare la sofferenza degli esseri, possa sostenere il significato del Dharma per inconcepibili eoni a venire. Great sound of Dharma eliminate the suffering of sentient beings. May it uphold the meaning of Dharma for inconceivable eons to come.
Now you look. Damarani, Daparani, Dasambarani,
Buddha Chitta Pratsalini Prana Paramita Nanda Sabhava Benza Sato Aridaya Santo Kane Ho 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 Ho.
So, this is outside we are cause conditioned to singing, ball, bell, torji, whatever is we have to Dharma sound. You have own sound. Every day we using speech. This sound is so important, coming with the life today. When you born, even never say Mama, Papa, his sound is there. Crying, wishing and so on. So this sound is so precious. So we have to use very positive. Never negative, never for harmful anybody. If you're using sound, picking sound, using like rough, very bad, more than gun, people suffer. Pain. Maybe it's need thinking some time. He said something me, so I'm little bit disappointed and so on. So many problems coming. So this is, today I'm picking, Lama Gangchen said, I never use my precious sound, very positive. So this is gross level sound, is very important. Even you go to subtle sound, continue. So it have to be something useful to be on sound with the family, with the parent, with yourself. Have to be used. Like taking sound, where very much like some songs and things, some ancient message. So, now you need your body sound with the speech sound. I'm picking, also other sound exists everywhere. But I'm picking this sound. It must be another singing bowl. Who listening? Oh, he picks so beautiful way, so nice way. More than mantra, more than meditation, giving something through sound.
So now we were talking about the external sound of singing bowl and so on, but here is not only a matter of external sound, but we have a sound connected with our own body, for example, since birth, and there are many types of sound, but the speech sound is the most important. So this speech sound is always there when the baby comes out from the mother womb. Already he tried to express by crying, by emitting sound, he tried to express what he needs and so on. And then the human being have got the preciousness of being able to transform this sound into words, into something that can be understood, and so this is very precious. If we use this power with some kind of disrespect, in the sense that we use aggressive, vulgar, or rough word and speech, this is very bad, because really we don't honor the preciousness of that sound, and we can really harm people very much, like more than with a gun, with the power, with the negative power of sound, or the sound of the word being used in aggressive way, with hatred, with wanting to hurt other beings. Anyway, this hurt can reach very deep. People can then think about that, what was told to them, the insult they receive, how much. Anyway, they can, going on for days or months to think about that, and it can be really debilitating for beings. So in the other way, we can learn, for example, positive melodious sound that come from the realm of dakinis. For example, there are many melodies that are somehow out of the human world. They come from other worlds, so they can have a beneficial effect, so we can use also our own sound power to learn to express these melodious sounds and so on. So we have many possibilities, and we really need to use our own potential of sound in a positive way.